First, release the tool from the collet. Get a paper towel and spray WD-40 on it. Clean the spindle with the towel. Please make sure the spindle rotates smoothly. This is very important. If there's materials getting stuck on the spindle, it cannot run smoothly. Spray WD-40 on another paper towel. Clean the spindle again. If you click Cool on the monitor, water will come out. The water level looks good. If water doesn't come out, try this way. There are 3 nozzles, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. Prepare a dust cleaner. You will shoot the air to the nozzles. So, if there is any stuck material, you can clean it with the dust cleaner. Aim the nozzles and shoot air into them. Use a paper clip to clean deep inside all of the nozzles. Then, you will see water coming out when you click the Cool button.